Hi students, welcome to my channel. From today onwards we are discussing about mathematics 2B topics. Okay, the first topic is circle. In circle we are discussing first long answer type question. Very important question is find the value of C if points 2 0 and 0 1 4 5 0 C are concyclic. When the points are concyclic, if these are on the circle, if these are on the circle, the points are concyclic. A, B and C. The circle passes through from the A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, D are called concyclic. Okay. Let the solution is, let A 2, 0, B 0, 1 and C 4, 5 and D 0, C are concyclic. Okay, these four are concyclic. These four are on the circle. Now, what is the equation of circle? So, first of all, we can forming the equation of circle by 3, any 3. Now, giving A, B, C, this is already given. Just we need C. So, first of all, we can forming the equation of circle by 3 points and we can substitute this value in the equation of circle, then we will get the value of C. Okay. At the first, the equation of circle. The general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C equals to 0, say that is a 1. Okay. Just we need G, F and C values, 3 values. For different values of G and F and C, we have different circles. Then we need 3 values. For 3 values, we need 3 equations, 3 conditions. Okay. Now, how to get 3 conditions? By substituting 3 points in the equation of circle. Suppose the circle passes through the A, then the substitute in equation. 2 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. Then it is a 4 plus 4g plus c equals to 0. Yes or no? These are zeros. Then 4g plus c equals to minus 4. That is the first one. Okay. Then suppose it is passes through the C. Passes through the C. B. Then 0 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 1 plus c equals to 0. Then it is a 1 plus 2f plus c equals to 0. Then the equation is 2f plus c equals to minus 1. It is the second one. Okay. And it is passes through the C. Then 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c equals to 0. Okay. Now 4 square is a 16, it is a 25, the total is 41. Now 8g plus 10f plus c equals to 0, then the equation is 8g plus 10f plus c equals to minus 41, that is the equation 3. Now we can solving these 3 equations. First of all, we can removing C by taking a pair of 2 equations. Now subtraction of 1 and 2. 1 minus 2, then we will get C value like this. 4g, there is no f, that's why 0f plus c equals to minus 4. And second one, there is no g, so 0g plus 2f plus c equals to minus 1. By subtraction, here minus it is a plus, c get cancelled. Now it is a 4g minus 2f equals to minus 3. It is a equation 4. Okay. And subtraction of 2 and 3. 3 minus 2. Then 8g plus 10f plus c equals to minus 41. And second one is a 0g plus 2f plus c equals to minus 1. Okay, now here minus minus plus. Okay, CC get cancel here, 8G plus 8F equals to minus 40. Now all are 8 multiples, yes sir. Now dividing by 8, then we will get G plus F equals to minus 5. It is the equation number 5. Now we have two equations in G and F. Now by solving 4 and 5, then we will get GF's values. Yes sir. Solving 4 and 5 by taking these quotients G, F and 1. Now here observe minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2, and here 1, 5, 1, 1. Okay. Now G by minus 10 is a minus 3, F by 3 minus 20, and 1 by 4 plus 2. Then G by minus 13, F by minus 17, and 1 by 6. Then G equals to minus 13 by 6 and F equals to minus 17 by 6. Okay, G and F values are here. We need C. Then we can substitute the G or F values in 1 or 2, then we will get C value. Okay. Now we can substitute the G value in equation number 1. G value in equation 1, the equation 1 becomes how? 4 into minus 13 by 6 plus C equals to minus 4. Yes sir. Okay. Then 2 2s are 2 3s are minus 26 by 3 plus C equals to minus 4. Yes sir. Now C equals to 26 by 3 minus 4 by 1. C equals to LCM is the 3, 1 into 26, 26 minus 12, 3 into 4, 12. C equals to 14 by 3. Then we have G, F and C values. Now substitute G, F and C values or substitute in equation, main equation Roman letter 1. Okay. Now the equation becomes as a, therefore the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2g, g means minus 13 by 6, x plus f 2 into minus 17 by 6 to y plus c is a 14 by 3 equals to 0. Now it is a 2 3s are 2 3s are, all are 3s, denominators are 3. Now LCM is the 3, multiplying with the 3 to the equation. Then you have 3 into x square plus y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equals to 0. Now this is the equation of that circle. And remaining the fourth point 0 comma c, we can substitute in the equation of circle because of that point also on the circle. Okay. Remaining D 0 comma c in above equation. Okay, 0 comma c in above equation. Then the equation becomes a 3 into x square 0 square plus c square minus 13 into 0 minus 17 into c plus 14 equals to 0. Okay. Then 3c square minus 17c plus 14 equals to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in C. By splitting we can solving it. Okay. 3c square minus 14c minus 3c plus 14 equals to 0. From first to C common, 3C minus 14. From second, 1 common, 3C minus 14 equals to 0 again. 3C minus 14 common, 3C minus 14 and C minus 1 equals to 0. That we have 2 again, 2 forms. 3C minus 14 equals 0, C minus 1 equals 0. Then C equals here 14 by 3 and here 1. Okay. Now these are the C values. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much.